What's going on, everybody? VGCC Gaming here. Welcome back to another video. Today is the top 5 ways to get better at Valorant. Let's get straight on to this with the number 1 way. Practicing the fire of your weapons, the spread of your weapons. If you know the spread of your weapons, then you will be able to demolish almost anybody that you want. That's just a very good way, you know, to learn your gun, learn people. The way to get better is turn up your sound. So you can hear people when they are walking and when they are doing other things such as that, walking around, jumping around, shooting. So you just know where they're at and be prepared. The third best way to get better at this game is just practice some, you know, normal matches, you know, non-comp, just some normal matches, you know, and it'll help you get a little bit better, you know, practicing your aim with all that. Fourth way to get better is definitely to know your operator and to choose an operator that you like. Not everybody likes the same operators. Some people like different operators. Like, I like Phoenix and Sage and those. But most people, you know, some people don't. The top 5 has got to be learning your peaks and knowing when to peek and knowing when not to peek, because that's a very good thing to know, because you shouldn't just be peeking a corner if there's an op. You're just gonna instantly get destroyed most of the time. You're gonna want to strategically peek, and you're gonna want to go slow while you're trying to get to a bomb site if it's being planted in another place. If you guys enjoy this top 5 moments, please hit that like button and hit that icon bell so you get alerted when I make more top 5 videos. This is VGCC Gaming. This is Bot Ryan with VGCC Gaming. If you guys want to watch more gameplays, make sure to check out Bot Ryan in the description below. That is my casual gameplay channel.
Phoenix is stuck here to the right.
Yeah, thank you guys so very much for watching. That was top 5.